Have you ever heard of a drink that's as beautiful as it is beneficial? Today, we're diving into the world of golden milk, a vibrant, warm, and comforting beverage that's been cherished for generations. This isn't just a trendy cafe drink. It's a traditional remedy with deep roots, and I'm going to show you exactly why it deserves a spot in your wellness routine. So, what exactly is golden milk? 2. At its core, it's a simple yet powerful mixture of warm milk and turmeric powder. The star of the show is, of course, turmeric. This golden spice is what gives the drink its stunning color and its famous reputation. For centuries, in many cultures, turmeric has been celebrated not just for its flavor, but for its role in promoting overall well-being. When you blend it into warm milk, you create a soothing elixir that's perfect for winding down. Many people believe that regularly drinking turmeric milk can help support the body's natural defense systems. Think of it as a gentle, internal tune-up. The idea is that it helps maintain a sense of balance from within, supporting your body's ability to handle the everyday hustle and bustle. Life can be stressful, and our bodies often bear the brunt of it. Golden milk is seen as a way to offer a little bit of support and comfort when you need it most. One of the most popular times to enjoy this drink is at night. Imagine this. After a long, tiring day, you slip into your comfy clothes, and instead of scrolling on your phone, you prepare this warm, golden potion. The act of making it is a ritual in itself, a moment of mindfulness. As you sip it, the warmth spreads through your body, creating a feeling of calm and relaxation. It's the perfect pre-sleep ritual to help you unwind and prepare for a restful night. This allows your body to focus on its natural recovery processes while you sleep. Now, let's talk about how to make it, and I'll share a few tips to make it even more effective and delicious. The basic recipe is just a cup of milk and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use any milk you prefer, dairy, almond, coconut oat, they all work wonderfully. Simply warm the milk on the stove, but don't let it boil. Whisk in the turmeric until it's fully dissolved, and that's it. But we can definitely level it up. To really unlock the potential of turmeric, it's highly recommended to add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Why? Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that helps your body absorb the goodness from turmeric more efficiently. It might sound strange, but you won't even taste it. I promise. For extra flavor and benefits, you can add other spices too. A sprinkle of cinnamon can add a touch of sweetness and warmth. A small slice of ginger can give it a nice, zesty kick. And if you like it a little sweet, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup after it's off, the heat works perfectly. 2. Playing with these ingredients allows you to create your own signature golden milk that you will look forward to every night. It's important to remember that golden milk is a supportive practice, not a magic cure. It works best as part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Eating nutritious food, staying active, getting enough sleep, and managing stress are all key pillars of good health. Think of this drink as a wonderful, comforting addition to all the other good things you're doing for yourself. Consistency is also key. Enjoying it in moderation, perhaps a few times a week, is a great way to incorporate it into your routine without overdoing it. So, are you ready to give this golden wonder a try? It's more than just a drink. It's an act of self-care, a moment of peace, and a nod to ancient wisdom. I encourage you to experiment with the recipe and find the perfect blend for you. Making a cup of golden milk can be a beautiful, calming end to your day, helping you feel nourished from the inside out. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about this incredible beverage. I hope you feel inspired to whip up a batch for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want more wellness tips and healthy recipes, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried golden milk or if you have your own special recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay well and take care.